Good morning, students. Now, moving ahead with part 2 of chapter 14. Now, in this part, you can see over here there is a picture, the political map of Africa. And in part 1, we discussed about the physical map of Africa. Now, let me explain you first what is the difference between political map and physical map. See, a political map that focuses on the boundaries, that is between entities like countries, states, that all. And in physical map, they focuses on geography of the area and will often have shaded relief to show the mountains and valleys. So this is a difference between both the map. Over here in the political map, when we see all the countries and the states have been mentioned over here. You can see. Now, when we discuss about the agriculture, mineral resources, and people, that is of Africa. See, in the figure, you can also see the animals of the continent of Africa. They are camel, hippopotamus, lion, deer. And see, in the agriculture, when we discuss about agriculture, 70% of the African indulge into agriculture. See, what they indulge into agriculture, and among 70% of the African people, and the various crops that are being grown are like tea, coffee, cocoa, rubber, tobacco, etc. They are grown here along with the other regular crops. And Malagasy, that is Madagascar, and Zanzibar Island, of which is of East Africa, they produce various crops like clove, coffee, and rice, and etc. And Zanzibar is also known as the island of clove. See, which part is known as the island of clove? That is Zanzibar. And 70% that we have said that the percent of Africans are in agriculturalists, they all are. And see, various minerals like gold, diamond, copper, uranium, magnesium, magnesium, etc. They all are found from the mines of Johannesburg and Transvaal of South Africa. And mineral oil also is being found in the Egypt and Libya. See, this all the minerals, and they are found over here in Johannesburg and Transvaal of South Africa, and also mineral oil that has been found in Egypt and Libya. And the pygmies live on the banks of pygmies. See, who are pygmies? Pygmies are the members of certain people of very short statures in equatorial Africa and the part of Southeast Asia. See, they are nomadic hunters gatherer with the average male height is not above 4 feet 11 inches. So they are called pygmies, and they live on the bank of river Zaire and Congo in the forest of Africa, and the Bushman in the Kalahari Desert, and the Masalit in Sudan, the Bantu in Kenya, and Bedouins live in Egypt. So this was about the minerals that and the agriculture we discussed in this. And now when we talk about the country profile, see, when we talk about the country profile, Egypt is one of the most ancient countries. See, as an ancient country, Egypt is one of the most ancient country, and it is also the Arab Republic. And the great civilization of Egypt that grew on the bank of the river Nile. See, the great civilization that has been developed and where on the bank of river Nile. And this country is famous for its pyramids and sphinx. See, pyramids you all know, but sphinx means what? Is a winged monster that is having a woman's head and a lion's body. It's propounded a riddle about the three ages of man that is killing those who fail to solve it. until Oedipus was successful, whereupon the Sphinx committed suicide. So that was about the Sphinx. And when the Tropic of Cancer that passes through the south of Egypt. So dates and cotton are grown in abundance over there. And Cairo is the capital city of the country as well as the industrial city also. See, the Cairo is what is a capital city also, and the industrial center. And the Swiss Canal has brought Asia and Europe closer to each other. See, which canal has brought Europe and Asia together? Swiss Canal. So that was all about Africa that we have discussed. In this part we discussed about the country profile of that is about Egypt and South Africa. And also, see, we discussed in this about the agriculture mineral. And now when we talk about the South Africa, see, South Africa is a country that has been located in the southernmost end of the continent of Africa. And it is a country that is lying in a temperate zone with a tropical climate. It has, see, where it is located at the southernmost end of Africa is South Africa, and it lies in the temperate zone, and it has a temperate climate also. And it was primarily an agriculture country, but after the discovery of diamond and gold mines near river Val in the year 1867, and it changed into its economy drastically. It changed, and the capital is Pretoria, but the parliament is in Cape Town, Johannesburg, and Durban are the other main cities over there, and the major cities over there. And that was about South Africa. So in this we have discussed in both the part about Africa. Now moving towards Asia. Now in this we will discuss about Asia. See, here you can see the picture of Taj Mahal in India. Then the other one is the Great Wall of China, and the next is Burj Khalifa in Dubai. And see, the wonders of Asia, this all are. See, there is a section in the exhibition providing information that has been related about our continent Asia in the tourism fair. Let's go and know about Asia also. See, now when we talk about location, see, the location latitude is uh, uh, 01 degree 16 north to 77 degree 43 north, and longitude is 26 degree 04 east to 169 degree 40 towards west. So this is about the location. And when we talk about the boundaries, see, the Indian Ocean in the south, when we talk about the Indian Ocean which is in the south, the Pacific Ocean is in it is in the east, and the Arctic Ocean in the north, and Europe in the northwest, and Africa in the southwest. So this was about the boundaries. And when we talk about the area, see how much area it is covered. That is 4,045,79,000 square kilometers, and it is the largest continent of the world. Asia is the largest continent of the world. And see, the physical features when we discussed about of Asia are full of diversity. See, there we can see the diversity are full of diversity. We find mountains, plateaus, desert, plains over here. See, that we can see in the picture given below, and locate them in one on the map of Asia. We need to locate it and see the pictures. Mount Everest, that is the highest peak in the world, that is 8,848 meter. And Tibet roof on the world, the biggest on the and the highest plateau in the world. The next picture is the areas receiving maximum rainfall, and the snow covered plains of Siberia, uh, Verkhoyanenks. See, these are the pictures of Asia. And when we talk about the physical features of Asia, they have full of diversity in it. We find mountains, deserts, plateaus, and plains over there. So it is about Asia. I hope you have understood this part. In the next part, we will discuss other things. Oh, thank you for listening.